So yeah, this year we have a great Catalyst team here, consisted of the 5 CSP champions, BT, British Telecom, Telefonica, AT&T, Deutsche Telekom, TELUS, and also 3 partners, AWS, Ira Technology, and Capgemini. Capgemini is leading this Catalyst. The idea of this Catalyst is how we can leverage generative AI in order to have full closed-loop automation as a part of the TM Forum. We leverage all the standards that we have from TM Forum, including the generative AI and also intent-based API to manage this, which was very interesting. So the idea is that how we can improve the efficiency in the detection of the anomaly in the network, in the radio access, be more proactive, and also we detect the issue before this happens in the networks. Is one of the important aspects.
What kinds of results have you seen, and what are the CSPs hoping to learn?
Yeah, so in fact, we have 2 types of the CSP in this project. Some of them help us in the providing the data, and some of them help us in order to validate the architect that we have for this type of the solution. So in fact, one of the key results is that improving the efficiency up to 50%, 45%, and also based on the requirement that we have in the TM Forum for the level 4 of autonomy, and also accuracy that we have for the part of the operation and also detection of the anomaly in the network, which is 95% improving. In fact, last year, Capgemini did a kind of intensive study in the market with 100 CSP. So after this study, we understood that the technology is not only a challenge for the CSP. For sure, we need to enable the technology to help to go above level 3 and level 4 of autonomy. But beside that, we understood that the people and process, which is a kind of key part of this transformation. So in Capgemini, based on the TM Forum Autonomous Network Maturity Assessment level, we somehow extended this framework. And then now we are supporting several CSP for how they can discover where they are, how they can transform the people and process, and having new operating model for high level of autonomy, including the upskill of the people, reskilling of the people, bringing more agility inside the organization for this type of a transformation.
Culturally, what are the biggest challenges when you talk about people and process? Is it legacy? Is it legacy processes that are the biggest challenge, or what are the biggest challenges?
I think one of the challenges is that we need to bring the reality in terms of the AI. I mean, AI need to kind of transformation for the people who work in the organization. It's not question of the changing the role. It's question of that how people can manage the AI once we implement it in the network and in different parts of the, let's say, organization. So I believe that once we talk about the business intent-driven, so which means that people should be there. The question is how we can change the mentality, how they can manage this AI and generative AI in order to improve the efficiency and bring more value. Because at the end, bringing more value, bringing more business is a target for our organization, and people can enjoy more to work in the kind of more agile environment.
Yeah, so getting beyond operational savings and getting to earning some new revenue or finding
People and process. So yeah, you don't talk only about the people.
Right, right. Okay. So partnerships, I guess, are probably pretty important in this. So you mentioned some of the folks that you're working with in the Catalyst. What role do partners play, and how are you working with them to help the CSPs?
In fact, Capgemini is leveraging kind of a strong ecosystem in terms of partnership with the hyperscaler and also with the NEPs, because we believe that co-innovation is a big requirement, is a key here for the to help the CSP to move level 4 or level 5 of the autonomy. Because, for example, in this Catalyst, we are working with AWS. We are kind of a system integrator partner with the Google ones, Google Cloud. We do same activities, similar one with the Microsoft as example. So we work intensively with the hyperscaler, because we believe that there are a lot of joint solution, co-innovation, and this would be key for the CSP, because CSP will ask, okay, we don't want to just focus about one partner. We just want to have ecosystem, because, for example, level 4 of autonomy, you have a lot of vendors, you have a lot of hyperscaler, but you need to bring them all and orchestrate them in the one place. They say, okay, then we have end-to-end autonomous network cross-domain as a key point for the level 4 or level 5 of the autonomous network.
Yeah, I think one of the keys to that is probably going to be data and focusing on, modernizing data architecture. I've done a lot of research recently on this. And in fact, I talked to some folks at Capgemini about it. What are the biggest technology hurdles that you see coming in the future? What are you focusing on? What are your CSP customers? What are they most worried about, and what are they most excited about going forward?
It's a very good question, because one of the point that you mentioned already is about the people and process. Okay, so if I want to address this, it's not only question of the how we can enable the technology. We are not talking only about the 0x or self-x, but also we are talking about business intent driven, or the context awareness on inside. So it's very important. So I think the vision and in the Capgemini is to leverage, to use the TM Forum asset frameworks that we can see. We are strongly participate, and we are very proactive in the TM Forum project. And then we try to leverage all frameworks that we have also in the Capgemini to bring end-to-end journey for the CSP customers, in order to help them to accelerate this journey. Because level 2 to level 3 is one of the big challenges we can see in the market. This exactly plays AI play the key role in order to push and help this journey for the CSP. Because this is what we believe that very important moment, including the agentic AI, that we can close the loop by having a decision by agent.
Well, thank you. Thanks very much.
Thank you.